What's up guys, it's Claire here, back again with another iPad review video. Today we are taking a look at Apple's newest addition to the iPad family, the new 2022 iPad Pro model. Now, the new iPad features a large 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display powered by the new M2 chip. I'm pretty excited to see all the work that comes out of the users of this new iPad because of all the possibilities that Apple presents to us. The higher GPU means more capacity to run large softwares like After Effects or Illustrator for long periods of work, so students, creatives, or even passionate hobbyists can enjoy their flow with little to no interruption. With the larger iPad also comes the larger Magic Folio with wider keys and trackpad. For working on the go, I can see this being popular with students and working adults alike when they crunch some work on the train or on the bus. One of the most stunning parts of the new-gen iPads is definitely the Liquid Retina XDR display. It shows true tone, the darkest blacks, and showcases a stunning 4K video watching experience like no other. This is a feature of the iPad that benefits creatives the most, especially people who are working day in, day out with precise color schemes and lighting. Even for myself, I love how colors are so accurate that my work looks great from iPad to print. Another win for creatives. Another feature I enjoy is the split view function on this bigger display. With a bigger display, you would be able to get more real estate for each tab you have open. This makes it easier for those writing research papers or referencing photographs when drawing. And that's not all. With the iPad OS 16.2, Apple has expanded on 3 noteworthy apps, which would make a great companion for collaborative work and productivity. Freeform is a new productivity app with a flexible canvas, allowing users the ability to see, share, and collaborate all in one place without worrying about page sizes and layouts, and with full support for the Apple Pencil. Freeform will allow collaborators to add virtually any kind of file, audio, video, images, PDFs, documents, and web links to the canvas and preview it online without leaving the board. Now, for those who would like to have a more desktop-like experience and capitalize on the power of the M2 chip, Stage Manager can now support external displays, allowing up to 8 apps to be used at once. I find this very useful at home as the added real estate really helps with my organization and workflow. Last but not least, what I consider a very well thought out update for the 2nd generation Apple Pencil and the M2 iPad Pro is the Apple Pencil Hover feature. The Apple Pencil Hover shows you exactly where your pencil will touch down on your display, so you can write, sketch, and illustrate with greater precision. So you can preview any marks before you make it, and the Apple Pencil Hover just makes everything you do with the Apple Pencil even more effortless. One bonus feature I like about the iPad OS 16.2 is this quick and neat little way of creating stickers from just about every kind of image you could possibly find. It's called Photo Cut. It's a new photo collage function that allows users to select the subject from their photos and drop it into Notes or iMessage, and it's my new favorite thing. The cutouts look great, and it's fun to create stickers easily without having to go through so many steps, like downloading a sticker app, and it makes note-taking a lot more fun. That's 4 things I'm excited about the iPad OS 16.2. Do note that we are running a beta version of this firmware update. I'm sure that the iPad Pro will be even more bang for buck once the iPad OS 16.2 launches officially. Granted, even though the iPad Pro is great for its performance right now, I still rely on a solid laptop for more GPU-intensive projects for Maya, After Effects, and Illustrator. And you know what's a great laptop for productivity? Let's take a quick moment to talk about today's sponsor, MSI.
This video is brought to you by MSI. Meet the Summit E16 Flip, featuring the latest 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, RTX 30 series graphics, and a 16-inch Quad HD Plus touchscreen panel with a 360-degree hinge. It lets you unleash maximum productivity with up to 11 hours of battery life at just 2 kilograms. The Summit E16 Flip offers unprecedented performance and functionality, allowing you to work and play anywhere, anytime.
Now back to the iPad Pro. It is still undoubtedly the quickest way to get started on drawing on the go. The drawing experience on the iPad Pro feels very akin to drawing on an A4 sketchbook, so the transition from traditional to digital medium is not that jarring at all. I appreciate that a lot, and Apple has made that switch from paper to screen very seamless. I use Procreate for drawing and sketching for the most part, which brings me to a question that is often asked. Procreate canvas sizes. For those looking to get the 6th generation iPad Pro for Procreate, Procreate limits the number of layers you can place on an artwork based on its size and also the power of the iPad. So let's see what the iPad Pro 2022 can offer our multi-layered artists. For canvas size A4 211 layers. For canvas size A3, 103 layers. For canvas size 4x6 photograph, 865 layers. And for typical screen size of 1920 by 1080 pixels, 902 layers. And there you have it. I would say that the iPad Pro has gotten a few upgrades since last year. Between my current iPad Air and the new iPad Pro, I think I would choose the iPad Pro 2022 for its larger size and higher processing power. Of course, there are more features the iPad Pro offers, even just for leisure and entertainment. And I'm sure those who are planning to get the 6th generation iPad Pro will benefit a lot from it. However, there are cheaper models of the 5th generation iPad Air and the 10th generation iPad. So Apple's got you covered based on your budget. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos from Geek Culture. Eyeballs.